Okay, well, I was explaining to you in the last video about the Cushman Model C running. If you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. But what I was explaining is the fan wasn't running, and the reason why the fan wasn't running is the belt flew off. And when it flew off, I thought, well, it flew off because it wasn't tight enough around the pulley. No, that wasn't the problem at all. What happened was the lace broke. So when it broke, it ripped off a chunk on the belt. So I just cut that like so, and you can cut it with just a pair of scissors. As long as it's sharp, it's good to go. But what I'm attempting to do here is put new laces into it. And what you do is you take this rod here, put it in that hole there, put it all the way, then you turn with the vise until it gets tight. When it gets tight, your finished product will be just like this. This right here, what the last guy used, it was just a piece of dowel rod, and it's seen better days, that's for sure. But what I use, and I'll show you here in a bit after I get this done here. So, hold on, guys. Now, this right here is the finished product. Now, when you do lace these, if you have a good end like this, you always count the laces. So, if this got 5, you make sure the opposite side has 5. That way, when they connect together, it's a nice, strong fit. So, I'm going to show you guys what I use. Now, if you have larger laces like this, you can use it to connect them. Or you can use a paper clip, just wrap it around. But what I use, I get these from work, and I get coat hangers. So, what I do is take a pair of side cutters, preferably sharp side cutters, but if you don't have them like I do, well, guess that's it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get me another pair of side cutters. Okay, I got me a new pair. So, what you do then, you take your piece here, you figure out how long you need. I give a little extra, and I'll show you why. Why I give a little extra. And at the end like this, I don't want to, cramp down on it, thing goes flying. I just want to make it so that you can find it. Instead of searching around all day where you put it and having to cut more out and wasting time. So what you do here, put it on like this. Okay? And then after that, take a pair of plumber's vice grips. You bend both ends down. Preferably needle nose actually works better, but you bend both ends down. You wrap it around both sides, and then that thing ain't going nowhere. I'll show you here in a bit. Hold on. Now it looks just like that. The reason why I didn't do the other end is because you gotta connect the belt to whatever it is you're doing. After I connect the belt, then I will crimp down the other side, and then that ain't going nowhere. So that's it, guys. That's how you lace an old flat belt. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down. Later. Alright guys, before I decide to go here, I thought I wanted to show you this. So now we got the belt on here. So next we got to take the pin here and put it on the part that we laced already. I apologize for the bad lighting, but we are in cramped quarters here. So what you do is you first get these ends together, connect them just like I showed you before in here in the shop. Then after that, there is a bolt. Right here. And you have to loosen it up and bring it down because there's an adjustment right there. And then when you bring it down, and then you get to the spot that you want, where the belt is nice and taut, you bring the adjustment back up, tighten it down, and then the fan's good to go. So that is it. That's all there is to it. Oh, and with the Cushmans, for example, you got to put back the exhaust. The exhaust goes right in this port right here. And then that's it. So that's all there is to it. I'll get it together, and then you'll see the fan move, hopefully. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, now you can see this. Hey, there you go. She's on. This motor, it's got quite the compression, let me tell you. It's like a 4-cylinder in one. But that's it. Give you a view on the other side here. So I'll go down to the workshop and get my needle nose, and I'll pluck those down, and that'll be it. It'll be good to go. So that's it, guys. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.